vlog, and today I am about to head to my nail suite. I do have a very busy day today. I was supposed to have 3 clients, but I ended up having 4 because I did have to reschedule somebody after what happened with my knee a couple days ago. I told you guys that I spilled primer on my leg and not clean it up in a timely manner, so I pretty much ended up burning my skin. But I wanted to go more into detail about pricing and if I felt like I need to raise my prices or if I felt like the price for the set was right. So I am going to be going over that today. So I'll be telling you guys how much money I actually made today from my 4 appointments. So I am about to head to my suite right now. It is currently about 9 a.m. I'm probably not going to get home until about 9 today because my last client's at 7. Well, meaning I'm probably not going to get home until about 9:30. But I've seen that you guys are really enjoying these videos. I really do appreciate you guys for watching these vlogs about my life as a nail tech. And I definitely wish you guys the best with your journey. I'm hoping that these videos help a lot of nail technicians that maybe have issues with talking to people. I do like to leave some conversations in there sometime and just dive deeper into my life as a nail technician. Yeah, of course, when I finally go and park my car, people start to move out of the spaces. My car is parked over there, but I'll probably try to move it between clients if I get lucky, because this plaza for the most part, especially at this time, is like always pretty full. But I'm about to come in here. That the man finally finished her room. I said the man, I don't know his name, but he finally finished her room. It looks really good. I am about to go ahead and go inside. He did his thing. He really did. So I am about to go ahead, turn the lights on. And then my room is first. Now my room being first is cool and all, but if there's anybody in like the lobby area, I could hear them, which is probably the only downfall. But maybe in the future I'll change suites, but I don't think I am. So in here today, it's not as messy as it was in previous videos. Sometimes after my last client, I'm not gonna lie, I'd be so tired, I'll literally just get up and leave everything how it is. So I do try to clean up as much as I can as I'm working. I am about to go ahead and plug the lights up real quick. And then I do have to sanitize my implements and also just get everything together. It's probably like 9:30 right now, so I probably got about an hour to do everything. Yeah, I'm currently waiting for my first client. She's a couple minutes late. It's probably about 10:30 right now. She says she should be here in about 5 minutes. She is getting a cause freestyle, and I did charge her $130 for this. So normally with the cause freestyles, they're freestyles, but since she had a photo that was pretty much the same idea, I just allowed her to book under the freestyle because I was just like, whatever. So I am going to show you guys how they come out, but she should be walking in pretty soon. So today this client was getting a medium set. Now everything on these nails are going to be hand painted, and I was trying to copy the picture exactly, but there was definitely a lot of details with these nails. I'm going to talk about a little more later. She was a returning client. I definitely appreciate her for coming back, but I do love how these nails came out, and I'm going to show you guys once I'm finished. Yeah, I literally just finished my first appointment and my second client was already here. I think she got here like 15 minutes early. She should be about to walk to the door now. I literally finished my appointment at like 12:58. So she's about to walk in and then I'm gonna update you guys on everything. I'm about to let her in right now. Hey. Next for these nails, once again, my client did have a photo, so I did have to soak her original nails off. The last time she came, she had got a fill-in, but since the nails were short, I really didn't like how the fill-in looked. I definitely got much better at fill-ins, and I definitely will be posting more fill-in videos in the future now that you guys would like to see that a little more. Hey y'all, I just finished with my second client. I did end up finishing just a little earlier than expected. So I do have a quick 30-minute break. Now for those nails, she got a soak off, which is $15, and then I charged her $90 for the nails, so she paid $105. And I felt like that was pretty reasonable. We did a lot of encapsulated art, you know, some stickers and stuff. Those were super, super cute. I did like them. The first set was $130. I'm not sure if I said this earlier. I probably did, but those, I don't know. I think $130 was appropriate because it was a lot. When I had first looked at the picture, I didn't realize how much actually was on the set, and I did hand paint everything, including the French tips, the outline on the words. It was definitely a lot going on with the set, and I literally had just the right amount of time to complete it, and I'm happy that I was able to finish it before my next client came. It's probably about 3:30 right now, maybe even 3:40. I did pack a lunch, so I am about to eat real quick after I clean up, and then I'm gonna keep you guys updated with everything. So first set was $130, next set was $105. So right now we are at $235 for the day off the 2 appointments, which is it's pretty good. So I'm definitely excited about this next set though, because she is getting some birthday nails. And this is also her first time coming to me, so we definitely want to leave a good first impression. But I'm about to eat real quick, y'all. I packed me a little sandwich. I really wanted to go to that Mediterranean place, but I'm not going to have enough time today. And then my last client that was at 7 asked if she can come earlier. So I'm going to have her come at 6:30. So luckily for me, I'll probably be home at 9, like I said earlier, instead of 9:30. But we're going to see. Now, this was my third client. I am going to talk about how she was supposed to get her nails long, but ended up wanting them medium just a little later. I do like how these came out for the most part. She did request green and blue. Now, at first, my mind kind of went like blank, but I definitely feel like I pulled something together. And I actually wish I would have had a little more time to add some more things, but I wanted to still give her as much as I could with her getting a shorter length. I just finished. All right, so I just finished with my Third client, I got one more left. He should be here in a couple minutes. Now, the last set was 160. Now, it was 160 because it was a birthday set, but they were supposed to be XL because the birthday sets are only for XL nails. But when she came, she told me she wanted medium. So I pretty much tried to give her as much as I could, like pretty much trying to still make sure that it was 160, like worth, because the length was supposed to be there, but I'm not sure if she didn't see it or who knows. So it wasn't a problem, you know, we were already here. So I was just like, all right, well, let me make this work. I still wanted to, you know, give her that value. I'm sorry, my back hurts right now. Like, I've been trying to stretch it out. I don't know what's going on right now. But I do have one more client left. I forgot what she's getting. I know she got a photo. Now, when it comes to me freestyling, I used to really be like super good at freestyling. Like freestyling, Alexa, pause. Freestyling for me was like 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't even have to think about it when it came to freestyling. But I think since now, the only thing that people do is send me pictures and they never want me to, you know, freestyle. When it's time for me to be creative, sometimes my mind just kind of goes blank because I'm just not used to it anymore. And it really does make me upset because I used to love doing freestyles. But nowadays, people just send me stuff and want me to like recreate it. You know, they have their own photo and stuff, which I don't mind. But sometimes I do sometimes I do miss back when I only offered freestyles. Like I didn't offer recreation or anything like that. Like I wasn't doing any of that. And sometimes I consider going back to that because I really do miss freestyling and kind of doing what I want. But I know that, you know, sometimes when you freestyle, people could not like it, or not everybody's okay with freestyles and they prefer for them to know what they're gonna get, which is definitely understandable. But I definitely do try my best with my freestyles because sometimes I feel like it's hit or miss with me, and it wasn't like that all the time. Y'all can let me know down below how y'all felt about the freestyle. Like me personally, it was cool. I made sure that she liked it and stuff. She did like them. She traveled real far to come see me, so I did let her know that I really did appreciate, you know, her coming to me. I do try to let my clients know that I really appreciate them. I'm rambling. I am gonna go into detail with that a little later. Whew, I feel like I done had this mask on all day, y'all, but I'm about to go move my car real quick and then we will be right back. So my client got here, but I told her I was about to move my car. Oh, I fucking ran.
Do like the little 10-minute workouts with the white girls, girl, your stomach.
Hey, y'all, with my client, she's waiting for me to leave. Can I know you have your mask on. Period. So I'm about to clean up real quick and then head out. So she's waiting for me to hurry up. So I'm gonna see you guys in like 2 seconds. Finishing up with my day, I am going to start to clean everything up. Like I said, my client was waiting for me to leave because it was real dark outside, so I really do appreciate her for that. And let's talk about how much money I made for today. So today I did end up making $500. Now that was without tips. Definitely was a good Friday. Now I'm not gonna sit and act like every day I'm making $500. That's not always the case. Sometimes I do get lucky and I am able to, but as you guys can see, I was also here all day. So that's definitely a downfall. Me personally, I do prefer to go home while it either just got dark or it's starting to get late, but I know not everybody's schedule could work around that. So I do try to work with everybody's schedule. And at the time, I do only work 5 days out the week, but one of those days it's like a really, really early day because working from 9 to 9 is kind of crazy. Once I am finished with cleaning up, I am going to lock the store up. I was leaving with my client since we was leaving at the same time. And it really wasn't too much to clean up because I was cleaning up as I was going. So right here, I'm about to jump in my car and go. But I really wasn't talking about nothing. But once again, I did want to thank you guys for watching this video. And I really hope that this does motivate you. There's definitely money within the nail, community and the nail beauty industry. I know in the past people would act like nail techs just don't make no money. But what I'm also going to tell you guys is that you still have to buy your own supplies, your products and stuff like that. So yeah, I made $500 today, but we are not including, me having to buy back product or anything like that. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. Feel free to comment down below what you thought about the nail sets I did today, the prices. And if you would like to see more videos, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next one.